Hello everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to access Kanopy on a computer. Kanopy is a popular, on-demand video streaming service that provides access to more than 30,000 videos including documentaries, foreign films, indie and classic movies, the great courses, and educational material for children. West Linn LINCC cardholders have access to 5 Play credits per month per library card. Kanopy is also available for download on Android and iOS mobile devices and TV apps. A link to the instructions have been included in the description below. To access Kanopy, you will need an LINCC library card through West Linn. You will also need an email or Facebook account and have the ability to access that account to verify your Kanopy registration. If you do not have an email address and would like assistance setting up an account, you can contact the library or access free email tutorials through gcflearnfree.org. A link has been included in the description below this video.